everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for the positivity deck, and this time around Kylie chose the word home. And it's kind of funny because when you think about it, I've had all sorts of issues with my home this year. I should say house, but the house is the home. So yeah, it's been quite interesting to say the least. And yeah, I've been lucky though throughout this. My family has stayed together, and we all know, well, at least that's what I've been told, that construction and issues like this can totally destroy a couple. And throughout all of this, my husband and I have stayed really strong, and I'm very, very grateful for this. And I think it shows that we're meant to be together, and that, you know, what we have will withstand whatever. I'm not saying it's not putting a strain. Obviously, when you're talking money and all kinds of issues, well, it's stressful. But all of this being said, I think my home, my house, it's all good. And so I thought it was kind of, you know, ironic that that's one of the words that she chose. Also, in the same time, the same week that she chose that word, somebody at work gave me this fortune cookie sentiment, and it says, "Your home is the center of great love." And I thought that was too precious that she would give this to me at the same time as that word was chosen. So that is what I'm going to be using. And I'm sorry if my voice is not right next to the camera, because I just realized that I want to use some letters as well, and my letters, I had not picked them out from where they are, and everything is falling as usual. So yeah, story of my life. I need to clean up my space. It's been quite a disaster with all the stuff that's been, you know, I've been trying to make Christmas journals and Christmas gifts and so on and so forth, and yeah, that's what happens. So I had in my stash this piece of wallpaper that was gifted to me by Doreen, and I'm thinking I really want to use this. Okay, so I thought I had managed to make, I had an issue before. My tape broke and I stapled it together, and I thought all was well, and it seems that there are some issues with this. Why is my tape off now? Like, this is strange. It's like it's set on the opposite side, but that's really strange because it was all fine before. The struggles in life of a crafter, I tell you. What happened there? So if any of you guys are having issues and wondering, is it normal? Does it happen? Yeah, it does. All the time. Okay, so it was supposed to go that way, and it did mess up. And I don't want to pull it too hard because then it's gonna break again and I'm gonna be stuck again. So let's hope this is it. And where did my card go? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. This is like a comedy show. I've lost the card. Oh. Oh my god. I'm telling you, you guys must be laughing because this is hysterical. Yeah. So, this is the second time that this happens with this tape, that it gives up on me like this. And it worked the first time around that I stapled it. But then I don't know what happened after that it came undone again. Or that it was on the wrong side. So let's hope. I'm almost at the end of it, so I'm hoping that this is gonna work. Otherwise, I'm gonna just throw it up because this is getting ridiculous. So in case you're wondering, see, that kind of worked. I don't know where the staple is over here now, so I think we're good. Hopefully we are. So yeah, guys, the struggle is real. You try to craft and take your mind off stuff, and then your tape runner goes weird on you. And yeah. So it's I'm just happy, like the whole family, we're all good. Megan is better, and that's all that's important, because that scared the daylights out of me. Like having my daughter sick, that was the pits, and having anybody else be sick would not be good. This being said, I'm a bit concerned because there's been a romaine lettuce recall, and we're presently on Wednesday, and this is airing on the Friday. And I had romaine lettuce on the Monday and Tuesday before I heard that it was being recalled. So hopefully my lettuce didn't have E. coli, because that would not be good. It'd be kind of ironic, because right now that's kind of the story of my life. Everything just kind of goes bleh for some reason or another, but let's hope that this time around I'm still good by the time you see this video. So that would mean that it's all good, because it's supposed to be stay in your system, from what I read, 2 to 3 days before you see the signs. So it's still too early to know. I could still get it. Feeling good, so crossing my fingers that all is good. But yeah, so fed up of this. I need a roof, and I've got this on my desk, and I'm thinking that that could be a roof, and that will be the end of that. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this and this. In case you're wondering, I'm trying to create a home, a house. Might not be the best of creations, but I like using what's on my desk because I hate cleaning it. And I've said that many times, And yeah, it's just a way of cleaning it up that's quick and easy for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just create some windows. Hopefully I'm in frame. Yep. I don't know why, but when I'm thinking house, I've always drawn them that way. And there's always been a door. There's all kinds of, I remember reading all kinds of things about how kids would draw homes and what it would mean, that on how they would see it, whether there was a door, how many windows. I just don't remember what it all means, but yeah. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to put this here. I just, because I kind of want it to still look like a fortune cookie, so that we know that it was one. So I think I'm going to do it this way. So, like, you can still tell it was a fortune cookie. And then I'm going to write home. Very simple. Now I think I want to do that to the letters. I love these pens that come from Australia. Thank God I have a lot, because their mail system messed up and it got lost. So my friend got reimbursed for that and shipped me another set. And then finally the pens showed up. So now I have double the fun. Okay, so I'm thinking I also want to highlight this. And I find it's too heavy on one side, so I'm gonna do false stitching. I kind of like this messy house. It kind of represents my year and my house right now, and yeah, it's just it's fitting with the sentiment that I wrote down. So I hope that you've liked this. Sorry about the tape, but maybe it's given you some ideas when your tape breaks on how to try to fix it in the meantime. And yeah, that is it for now. Bye everyone.